Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Spring Pressure Washing. We are at a big house cleaning today. Let me walk you around and show you what we got. This is one of the structures. It's like a barn garage, the living space up on the top up there. And then we have the main house. I'll take you here in the back. We got all these paver area back of the house. It's all green back here. And then you can see the side of this building. It's got a lot of green algae growth on it. Down on the pavers. Back here on the full deck, spider webs and a lot of green algae growth. Down along here. I'm sure we'll be back at some point to work on these pavers. Just bought the house and it's doing a little at a time. You can see that some of the pavers are starting to come back up. We'll go around this side. Look up along here. Yeah, you can see all the leaves up there. And then out to the front. Got a walkway coming up this side. A lot of green growth up along here. Front porch. It's a wraparound porch. We got chickens in the background. Yeah, and then, oh yeah, down along this side. A lot of green algae growth up here too as well. So anyway, that's our project for today. So you got to be careful sometimes with this vinyl. I don't know what caused that, but probably a tree limb or something from one of the storms. He lost quite a few of them last storm that came through. Alright, well, it's our project for today. It's going to take a while, so we'll get busy. All right, so we're all wrapped up here. I'll take you around and show you what it looks like now. Yep. Yeah, it looks like a new house now. All the green's gone. Porch came out really nice. Go around the side here, if you remember this. Yep. Okay. Come over here to the front porch. Yep, got all the ceiling parts done. Looks so much nicer. Looks practically new now. Walkway. Driveway came out really good. And a little barn structure. All the pavers, and it made a big difference. He didn't want me to knock the weeds out. He said he was working on that himself, but it's okay with me. Yep. Yeah, it looks super. Inside of this building, all that green's gone. And then back to the pool deck. What a difference. Actually, I'm surprised the way these pavers came up. So much better. All this underneath. We're probably going to come back. I gave him a bid on fixing all these pavers. There's so many that are collapsed around the whole pool area. Over in here, the same way. You can see, and just not a whole lot you can do other than taking up all the pavers and then putting new base down. In some areas it's half an inch, 3/4 of an inch off, and especially through this area. This was kind of a concern. I don't know if you can see down in there or not, but it's actually eroded to the point where these pavers are sitting on top of the pipes. So anyway, it's got to be taken care of soon, or else there's going to be bigger problems. Any rate, so that's the cage, the awning. All right, well, that's it for this job. Another satisfied customer. He's already given us 2 more referrals, so he's very happy. All right, well, this is Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing, and we will see you at the next job.